Everyone knows Warren Buffett as a successful investor. There is one fact that we must not forget. Warren Buffett's frugality is as effective as his investments in achieving financial success. Thanks to his frugal living habits and planning his spending, Buffett got closer to success. Here are Buffett's 6 frugal living habits. Number 1. Minimalist lifestyle. Adopting a simple and plain lifestyle gives comfort both financially and psychologically. You can design your home with simpler items by reducing the extra expenses. Instead of a flashy and expensive car, you can choose a more affordable car that suits your needs. This is exactly what Buffett did. Although Buffett is a billionaire, he doesn't even change the house he bought a long time ago because it meets his needs. I'm sure if one of us was a billionaire, he would buy one of the most expensive houses. If you don't agree with this, let me know your opinion in the comments. Number 2. Price comparison. It is Warren Buffett's frugal living habit that I like the most and that I adopt the most. Before buying a product, I definitely think that it is necessary to make comparisons between the big companies that sell the product. While one firm sells the product at an expensive price, the other firm can sell it at a lower price, which gives us high profits. Sometimes these price differences may seem small to you, but think about it this way. You do not buy only one product when shopping monthly. Let's say you buy 100 items. When you make small profits from each product, you have a high savings in total. Number 3. Repair and reuse. If you have a broken or damaged item, it may be costly to consider buying a new item immediately. Repairing and reusing broken items will give you great benefits as a frugal living habit. It is not easy to repair digital products such as white goods, computers, phones. It is more logical to have these items repaired by paying a small fee instead of buying new ones. You can repair other small household items as well as you can. Number 4. Monthly budget planning. Buffett makes disciplined and planned investments while making financial investments. He also applies this behavior while making his monthly expenses. Planning monthly expenditures and allocating certain budgets for each expenditure provides a more frugal life opportunity. Most people do not calculate their monthly expenses. He does not know exactly how much he spends where. Therefore, it cannot determine which expenditures it should cut. Planning your monthly expenses and knowing where and what you are spending will definitely help you. Number 5. Shop with a purpose. Shopping malls, supermarkets, stores with fine goods are designed to attract all people. Even if you don't need anything, you enter these stores to visit. While you are traveling, you like things and buy them even though you don't need them. These purchases make you tired. You should have a need-based purpose while shopping. What you get should benefit you. Number 6. Limit eating out. I will give you a piece of advice that will open your perspective. Let's say any meal you eat out is 10 units of money. If you cook the same dish at home, you can cook this dish for almost 4 units. Meals sold outside are sold at 2-3 times the cost price. If you make the food you will eat out at home by yourself, it will make a great contribution to you financially. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe to my channel and like the video to be aware of more such useful content. See you in the next video.